Before you replace a vintage Daiwa reel because it feels stiff, heavy, noisy, or rough, watch this first. Many old fishing reels are not completely damaged. Very often, they only need proper cleaning, fresh lubrication, and careful maintenance. After many years of use or storage, the grease inside the reel can dry out, oil can become dirty, and sand, salt, or dust can build up around the gears and shafts. A vintage Daiwa reel is usually built strong, but it still needs service. When old grease becomes thick, sticky, or hard, the gears cannot move smoothly. The handle may feel heavy, the reel may sound rough, and every turn can feel like something is dragging inside. Some people think the gears are broken right away, but many times the problem is only old lubricant and dirt. Before opening the reel, turn the handle slowly and feel the movement. Do not force it. If the reel feels heavy all the time, the problem may be inside the main gear, pinion gear, or oscillation system. If it feels crunchy or noisy, there may be sand, rust, dry grease, or bad bearings. Also check the bail arm, line roller, handle knob, spool shaft, and drag knob, because small dry parts can make the whole reel feel rough. Now remove the spool and inspect the spool shaft. Look for old oil, black grease, dust, or rust. A dirty spool shaft can affect the up and down movement of the spool and may also make the drag feel uneven. If you open the drag system, pay close attention to the washer order. Take a photo before removing the washers. One washer in the wrong position can make the drag stiff, jerky, or weak. Next, remove the handle. Check the handle shaft and handle knob. Sometimes the reel feels heavy, not because the main gears are damaged, but because the handle knob is dry or dirty. If the knob does not spin freely, it should be cleaned and oiled later. Do not add too much oil yet. First, inspect and clean everything properly. Now open the side cover carefully. Use the correct screwdriver size so you do not damage the screw heads. Vintage screws can be tight or soft, so press firmly and turn slowly. Do not force stuck screws. After removing the screws, lift the side cover gently. Some parts may stick to the cover, so open it slowly and watch carefully. Once the reel is open, inspect the grease inside. Old grease can tell you a lot about the reel condition. If the grease is still soft and clean, the reel may only need light service. But if the grease is dark, dry, thick, sticky, or hardened, it must be removed completely. Do not apply new grease on top of old grease. That will only trap dirt inside and may make the reel feel heavy again. Remove the old grease from the main gear, pinion gear, shafts, oscillation parts, and inside the reel body. Use a small brush, cotton swab, clean cloth, toothpick, or proper degreaser. Work slowly between the gear teeth, because dry grease and sand often hide in small gaps. Do not scratch the gear teeth. If you remove gears or washers, keep them in the correct order. After cleaning the grease, inspect the metal parts carefully. Look at the main gear teeth. Check for broken teeth, deep scratches, heavy wear, rust, or metal dust. A little wear is normal on a vintage reel, but broken gear teeth can still cause rough turning even after cleaning. Also, inspect the pinion gear, because it works directly with the main gear. Check the bearings and bushings. A good bearing should spin smoothly and quietly. If a bearing feels dry, a small drop of light reel oil may help. But if it feels rusty, crunchy, or pitted, oil cannot fully repair it. A badly damaged bearing should be replaced if you want the reel to feel smooth again. After all parts are clean, dry them completely. This step is very important. Moisture left on gears, shafts, screws, or bearings can cause rust. Use a clean cloth, air blower, or gentle drying method. Make sure small holes and grooves are dry before applying fresh lubrication. Now apply fresh reel grease to the gears. Use only a thin layer. More grease does not always mean smoother. Too much grease can create drag inside the reel and make the handle feel heavy again. Spread the grease evenly across the gear teeth and contact surfaces. Use light reel oil on shafts, bearings, handle knobs, bail arm joints, and the line roller. Do not use thick grease everywhere. Different parts need different lubrication. Gears need grease, but small moving parts usually need light oil. Be careful with the drag system. Some drag washers run dry, and some need special drag grease. Do not use normal gear grease on drag washers unless the system is designed for it. Reassemble the vintage Daiwa reel slowly. Put every washer, gear, spring, and spacer back in the correct position. Do not over-tighten the screws. After closing the side cover, turn the handle gently and feel the movement. Check the spool, drag, bail arm, line roller, handle knob, and anti-reverse. Common beginner mistakes include using too much grease, mixing up washers, losing small springs, forcing stuck screws, leaving moisture inside, and adding oil before cleaning the old dirt away. Take your time and check each step. With careful cleaning, fresh grease, light oil, and proper maintenance, a vintage Daiwa reel can often feel smoother, lighter, and more reliable again. The goal is simple: remove old dirt, protect the original parts, and bring this old fishing reel back to life for the next fishing trip.